It seems like disasters are happening every day now. Floods, fires, earthquakes. On many occasions, people have time to pack and leave. But what if it happens without warning? Like an earthquake, for example. I live in LA, and we get earthquakes pretty often. I remember one that struck late at night. I jumped up and started running outside while trying to put my pants on. That's when it hit me. I needed to be better prepared. I decided to put together an emergency grab and go bag. This bag has all my important documents and essential survival items ready to go at the moment of notice. Let me show you what I've packed to stay ready for the unexpected. First comes the storage box. It's a pretty much a bag to store the documents and certificates and whatever important stuff that you might have that you don't want to lose. I got this from Temu. Uh, Currently, the price is $10. I do not remember how much mine was. I believe it was pretty cheap. You could probably find again a similar thing on Amazon, but this is what I got from Temu. They say it's waterproof and fire resistant. I don't know. I'm not testing it, and hopefully, I don't have to test it. But I wouldn't really trust what they say about being waterproof or fireproof. Um, but again, I think everyone should have something like this where you could store your documents. I'll show you now what mine looks like. You can clearly see that it doesn't look like a box. It's more like a bag. In a Timu image, it looked like it had harder walls. But it does have all of the compartments, and you can see I put all my documents in here, even my graduation paperwork from high school. So everything important that I need is packed in here. It has a zipper around it, and you could also put a lock on it and lock it if you don't want anyone to get into it. Simply pack this inside of your backpack, so whenever you need it, you could just quickly grab your backpack, put it on your shoulder, and run out. Next, I got this knife. It's a survivor knife. I also got this from Temu. I think it was $12 when I got this. I believe you could also get something like this from Amazon, of course. This thing comes with a fire starter, which hopefully I don't need, in a city environment. It comes with a small flashlight, a nice survivor knife that you would like to carry with you just in case if you need to protect yourself or do whatever you need to do with a knife. Next, it's an old pair of jeans. Now I don't have to put my pants on while I'm trying to run out of the house. I can just dress myself outside when I'm safe. Pants, shirt, just in case. Also, you want to have a battery pack, like a charger, just in case if you need to charge your phone. This thing comes with USB chargers. I also got this from Temu. And of course, the emergency pack. And this emergency pack has a lot of goodies. Let me show you guys what it has. I don't really want to open it up because there's just too much stuff in there that's gonna fall out. Here is a better detailed view of the first aid kit. This thing comes with a bunch of little goodies. As you can see, scissors, tweezers, band-aids, sterile gauze pad, whatever you would need in case of emergency. You could also add extra stuff. You could buy separate band-aids if you want to have better quality of band-aids. I'm not sure how good the quality of the Temu band-aids is. They also sell the same thing on Amazon. You could buy this from Amazon if you want, but this is a very important thing that you want to have in your bag just in case. You could even add socks and underwear to your bag, uh, just in case if you end up staying out of the house a day longer and you want to have a fresh pair of underwear and socks on your feet. Um, it's pretty much just go ahead and pack all of your stuff in a bag. I'm about to just shove it in, but you should be able to pack them neatly to have a lot more space in your bag. You could also add some bottled water in there, and other, maybe some snacks or something that don't go bad so quick. Pack everything up and just put it somewhere safe. Yeah, I usually put mine closer to a door in a place where no one can steal it. But when I run out, I can quickly grab, put it on my shoulder, and run out of the building. Essentially, it's so easy to get something like this ready. All you need to do is sit in front of your computer for a couple of minutes, do a few clicks online, buy whatever you need, pack it, and be ready whatever the life throws at you. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more future videos like this.